The forum of today in Zurich will be also more complete because in addition to a psychologist, we have also a researcher in the field of culture and arts on health.
Culture and longevity are two highly interconnected things. On the one hand, how aged the population is will affect our culture, but also the culture itself will obviously impact on longevity, on health span, on how long a person lives, how healthy a person lives.
The city of Lugano is involved in this forum because the culture division of the city is the partner of IBSA Foundation in this project Culture and Health.
There are a lot of studies going on that show that socioeconomic factors, which I name environmental factors, can also impact on longevity and decrease the risk, for instance, of mortality.
I'm going to talk a little bit about the history of the Harvard Study of Adult Development and talk about some of the findings that we collected over the course of the study, especially findings that emphasize the role of social connections in our physical health and in our happiness across the lifespan. Simply put, it's relationships that keep us happier and healthier throughout our lives.
I am going to talk about the role of arts and cultural engagement in healthy aging, thinking about how the arts and culture can support older adults' health across a whole range of domains, specifically for reducing the risk of dementia, as well as depression, improving well-being, and then finally moving on to the role of the arts for longevity.
So there are a lot of studies of interventions, lifestyle interventions, that benefit stem cells in different parts of the body. So stem cells in the blood, stem cells in the muscle, which is what we study, stem cells in the brain. Interventions that have received the most attention probably are diet.
Aging is not the responsibility of the individual alone. It is also a process that has to be managed and ameliorated by the society, by investment into science, into medical interventions, into psychosocial actions. And for this reason, public awareness is important for this field.
Private partnerships like the IBSA Foundation are an excellent chance for ETH to expand also the portfolio and also to better align with certain needs that might be relevant for the public.
Open forum in general and this forum is spectacular. It's really important to get this information out.
So for older adults to understand that these kinds of activities may well benefit their health and well-being.
We need to put together the scientists, the humanistic sector, and the population. Culture is not for an elite, but is also important for social impact, to let the people understand that culture is like sport, it's something that you have to do everyday life.